So we've moved hotels. We just left Bellagio this morning, and we're at Caesars. This is the last leg of our trip, so we're here for 2 free nights. We got an upgrade, I guess, because there's not that much occupancy, so they have plenty of rooms, and if you're really nice, I didn't have to try to slip them 20 bucks or anything, just kind conversation. They appreciate that. And we got upgraded to a junior suite with Jack and Jill bathrooms, which is really interesting. Come see this. So when you first come in, you have the one bathroom here. Pretty standard, you have your sink, and then the toilet's separate. But this part is really cool. Come here, this is where it gets a little tricky. You have this shower, that's a walk-in shower, but you share it. There's 2 shower heads. And when you come through, there's a whole nother bathroom. There's a whole nother bathroom over here. For those of you that appreciate this kind of stuff, there's a legit bidet in there, the real deal. And my favorite part of staying at Caesars is their jacuzzi tubs. They have jacuzzi tubs with all the jets all around. Definitely gonna be using that later. So as you come out, back into the room over here, you have your workstation over here, which is really nice. And then a nice big space out here. We went with 2 queens this time rather than the 1 king, really because we appreciate the space here. And the view, to top it off, of the pool area, which is pretty awesome. So just to wrap it up, a couple things that you can expect when you get to check in. If you're Diamond, the Diamond check-in area that you would normally go to by the Starbucks is closed. You have to use the Flora Lounge that's in the regular hotel lobby area. It's just off to the side by the Americano restaurant. Super fast service. Expect to have your temperature checked when you come in, right before you even get in line. But there's hand sanitizer everywhere. I really appreciate that they're being safe by checking temperature, having hand sanitizer, masks all over the place, like all of the other properties here. So if you're thinking about coming to Vegas, thinking about staying at Caesars, don't delay. Come down here. You're going to have a great time.